Hey! Poppin' home slice. You missed me? We are going to Pay's house for Lexi's goodbye party. What's up, home slice part 2? It's sad out. I'm sad. So
The sky's crying, so we're crying.
I don't think that's the reason.
I look like, I don't know, bald. Buzz cut. Like one of the, what is it called? Like the colonial American.
Colonel.
Whatever it's, like the British men. With the buns.
I have a bun.
Yeah, we look like British men.
Jenna, that is extremely...
What? What is it? It's not disrespectful if that's what you're going to say. Or
What's like
offensive.
racist, but
No,
not
it's
with race, with like culturist.
That's not a thing.
How are you feeling about your 2 daughters leaving for Florida? How are you feeling?
I'm not.
Okay. Very emotional.
I do too.
Uncle Brad! What the heck? You're in our video.
Riley and Jenna, do you have cheese on your... Jenna, Riley?
You're not getting to beat in the video.
What the heck, Lou?
I'm gonna miss you more than you're not. I'm getting flashbacks from the ice cream.
It's
cold!
Don't throw it in my face again. And never get near Jenna! Never get near her! It's ice cream! It's evil!
And he's telling me he's gonna do some Reiki. I'm like, oh.
So guys, fun story.
Yeah.
Someone thought that I was pregnant.
It wasn't me.
That was rude. That you assumed that was me.
I don't know who would have thought.
Little Miss Girl over here is a big gossiper.
Jenna!
Stop spoiling it.
You thought you knew. I was guessing. Now I know.
Did she tell you who died?
Yeah.
How do I know that?
What about this table? What
Riley,
about
that's
this?
terrible.
Let's see what about this one.
Oh, I thought you were gonna kick me.
Dad, what about this table?
Who's it?
Right, wanna beat
Besties. What if we do some 0.5 flicks? Insert here. Let me in. We're headed back home.
Cause you got me tripping,
Oh!
stumbling,
Oh!
fumbling,
Oh!
flipping.
Oh! Crazy cause I'm falling in love. Ah! Oh my God. Stop.
So basically, and then how do you do it though? How far do you go up?
Oh no, my shirt. Not wearing a bra.
So, wash our cars with sponges.
Tonight?
So basically, we're washing our cars in the rain. Not exactly sure why, but Riley wanted to. But yeah, here we go. It's freezing.
I went hardcore. I feel water droplets dripping in between my boobs. I have a question. When's the last time you shaved? No, seriously.
We can change.
What?
So we do this thing where we like to
Get in the bathtub together
nothing weird.
with clothes on normally. This time it's babies.
Okay, there was one time we had to take our tops off because
We painted each other's backs.
And
But no boobs were shown. Maybe. But we were wearing bathing suits nonetheless.
Yes.
And we are going to shave our legs in the bathtub
I don't
together.
even need to, but whatever.
I slightly do.
Stop. Right.
Stop it!
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm gonna shit myself.
This is the end of the vlog.
Thanks for joining us today on our little rainy
Rendezvous. Rendezvous?
What does that mean?
I don't know. Let's call this the rendezvous vlog. Sounds fancy. I think it's French.
Yeah, I know, but what does it
Okay.
mean? Okay.
Peace! God damn it!